Hey YouTube, what's up? Got the old Duramax in here. It's a 2003 2500 HD Duramax. That's my beast of a work truck. Got it set up with a front winch there and everything. Use that to pull over trees or to get it unstuck since it's only a two-wheel drive truck. But as you can see, the driver's window is out of it right now because our lift assembly had a little bit of trouble. As you can see, this cable's all frayed out and it won't run up or down, so it got stuck in the down position last night. So we pulled it in here into the shop. I've got a new part here for it that I went and picked up. So we're gonna put in a new regulator on this guy. Got everything pulled apart from where we tore the other one out, so we're pretty much ready to put the new one back in. We finally have a window that goes up. Oh man, that's smooth. I don't think that thing's been this smooth since I've owned the truck. Now the rain will stay out.